at least there's not a long line. So there's that. They don't have these at enough places anymore. All the places took them out, and I wonder why. I doubt.
It doesn't seem very close.
Yeah, it does seem close.
So it's smart of Disney to put it in Skyliner system because that's way cheaper than putting it
Absolutely.
in,
And buses, because you don't have to get a bus driver.
You probably. Oh, there you can see him down there.
See who?
There he is.
Oh, I'm like, what are we talking about? Oh, that's cool looking. See, there's the boat ride. Oh, we still gotta go over to Verbolten.
Yeah.
Apollo's Chariot and all that shit.
Well, after you get your food, we can just go the opposite direction around the park.
Yes.
Oh, and there's the little tunnel you go into. That's cool.
It wasn't so little. We were in there quite a long time.
Well, it moved around.
Yeah.
2 times.
Yes.
Where is it? Is it not running? I've seen one car go by the whole time it was on.
Oh, I saw it already.
Oh.
Oh, wow. You can see really deep down in there. That's cool.
They should have put something in there because when you're on that track, you can see down in there. It would have just been cool if they'd have put something to look at. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was much quicker than walking. What
Oh,
is
look at
that thing?
that.
A Highland cow.
It's cool. It's massive.
Big boy.
That's how Griswold looks weed if I don't cut his hair in a timely fashion.
That's a big, hairy cow.
Sure is. Hey, buddy.